Hello from Slovenia again. Yesterday we did a pour with my stepdaughter Marina, and I have some paints left, so I decided that I will try to do another Dutch pour, kind of. I'm not good at Dutch pours, you know that, so I hope that I can do something at least decent. I'm really struggling with this technique, but because I really like it, because I like a lot of results that I see at Molly's channel, and of course Rinske Dauna. You probably all know these ladies, and Canela Kiracho. Sorry, Canela. But just want to make sure that it's not a lot of a glare. But I'm struggling with my hair dryer. That's why I decided that I will try to go once more, and I will not be so, I don't know, I want to do a Dutch pour. I will just go for, I don't know, something. I will just pour a little of this green gold here, and I will add some pearl white to add my touch, of course, and some Pebeo iridescent green blue. I really love this color. And some, I will go just like this with 24 karat gold, because could get too much of this, and I kind of don't like too much of this. And I will add Vandyke brown on top, and maybe a little drizzle of pearl white. And now to the hardest part for me and for everyone probably. Let's see. And now you can see what I'm talking about. I did want a lot of negative space, but not maybe that much. I totally didn't do this part okay. Shouldn't be. No! I think that I have definitely too much black, so I will go again. If I have even enough paint left. Okay. Pearl white. Add a little more pearl white this time. And a little more gold. Some Vandyke brown. I will add some black around. But I will not blow it over. So let's see. This is what I like, and that part. Just pour some black around here. And I think that I will leave it like it is now. I will torch it a little bit and take you for a close-up. Okay. Let me take you down. I hope that you see those gorgeous details here. Have a glare all the time. Some wonderful sails and lacing and everything, but still not totally successful one. I will leave this gold popping through because I don't know, it's kind of interesting in the way. I will leave it to dry. I totally messed up when I start blowing to this part. I don't know what I did. I really don't. Just don't have an orientation when I grab a blow dryer, hair dryer. I don't like that part here, but I would love to have my whole painting look like this. So again, trying to do something nice, and I think that I failed. Maybe I will try just with paint and water one day. Maybe this is a difference too, I don't know. So I will leave this one to dry anyway and see what I will think when it will be dry. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.